Hello, Danny here. I'm going to give you a market update today, and we start with looking at the charts. So I'm sharing my screen now. All right, so as we can see, Bitcoin had that run up, had the correction, and recovered pretty good. However, it was rejected here from the new all-time high around 66K, and we came down. Okay, so a correction is normal. Of course, it could go even lower to 55K. However, at the moment, we still floating here above that support line here, which is pretty good. So it could be that we actually break to the upside. Yeah. So there's always the option to break to the downside, but it looks like there's a lot of buy pressure, a lot of institutional support still, and institutional demand. So therefore, I think even if we go down at the moment, those dips will probably be bought up very quickly. Yeah, but at the moment, if we go down, if we break that trend line, then potentially 58K or 55K. On the upside, the next target would be 70 to 79, and then 88 and even higher. So looking at the general market, the stock market also, I think it pumped recently. Yeah, see, the stock market here, S&P 500 also entirely recovered from that dip to new all-time highs as well. So this is pretty bullish. So if this goes up, of course, crypto also should not suffer, right? But of course, have to be mindful. Looking at the news, more positive than negative, but of course, our good friend from the United States, the SEC, they hint enforcements against certain crypto firms, which is nothing new. It's just FUD, okay? So it's just like some nonsense what they do, and stifle the innovation in the States, okay, fine. So companies probably move out of the States for that reason. But this is just nothing new, right? So regulations coming for stablecoins and also for certain lending protocols. SEC has hinted Uniswap previously, the decentralized exchange, or Celsius, which is a decentralized lending network. So let's see how this plays out. But yeah, ultimately it will just, I mean, like, more regulations will help to drive institutions into the crypto space. However, if this is good, is also a second question. So yeah, let's see. We have some more positive news here. Square actually reports 1.8 billion in Bitcoin revenue. Square is one of the leading companies also in the States. So funny. Which is deeply involved into Bitcoin. Square also owns Twitter, as far as I know. So it's Jack Dorsey. So also Twitter recently, as you know, implemented crypto wallets and NFT avatars. So they have a lot of revenue based on Bitcoin. So if the SEC cracks down more, you know, as we see a lot of those companies potentially move out of the States, and that's kind of what will happen. We have here in Australia, Commonwealth Bank, I think is one of the largest bank in Australia, also adds crypto to its banking app. So similar to Revolut, I think you can buy crypto on their banking app, which is pretty cool. This one is okay, that's, for me, this is irrelevant. Okay, Bank of America, actually, whatever those kind of guys say anything, you should kind of think counter thinking, because those guys' interest is not your interest. They do not want you to succeed, a little retail or a little investor. They just care about themselves. So for me, this is not bullish. It's just news. So anyway, SoftBank invested 93 million into Sandbox. Sandbox is an NFT game where you essentially have like a metaverse. We know that SoftBank is pretty slow, and they are also last in line. I think Sandbox raised already a lot of money from different valuations previously. So okay, SoftBank maybe have to speed up a little bit, but anyway, also this one is not really relevant. What is more interesting is Siam Bank acquires a crypto exchange. Yeah, so this is interesting for Thailand. It's one of the biggest banks in Thailand who acquires a crypto bank. So maybe they also will have soon either on their balance sheet crypto, or they will have in their banking app also the option to buy crypto, which is cool. Revolut also on the forefront of that stuff. They want to build their own crypto exchange. So probably also at the moment when you buy and sell crypto on their app, I think it's through a third party. So probably want to have proprietary software. So also pretty cool. And some NFT stuff, which is cool. Warner Brothers, the guys who actually had done the Matrix. There will be another Matrix movie or season coming up, and they will implement some NFT stuff, which is pretty cool. So Matrix is already cool, and then we have Pulp Fiction as well, which is also cool. Oh, Blomberg. Give me a sec. I'll show you where you can get those archive.bh, where you can get those articles without any issues. Okay, so here Pulp Fiction will also have several scenes of that cult movie as NFTs, which is also cool. So even cult filmmaker Quentin Tarantino is aware of crypto and NFTs. So this is as cool as Matrix in my opinion. And lastly, some statistics here from DebRadar. It says games represent 55% of blockchain use in October, and I can imagine, so there will be NFTs and games will probably be on the forefront. Money and of course trading, but those are the three kind of main activities. Yeah. All right, so it was a lot of content. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon.